how many of you want to get inspired? Just type I. You want to get inspired? Good. Now look at this. I'm going to read a poem to you, and this poem is by a gentleman who was born 200 years ago before Christ, and I'm going to read the poem verbatim. So one caveat to all of you, okay? For those people, okay, let me just before I start this thing, for those people who want real motivation, who really want that example, you know, okay, isne aise kiya, waise kiya, who are really wanting motivation, you will not connect with today's lesson, okay? So this is a caveat to you that if you are looking out for motivation or just real some kind of an aphrodisiac or something like that, which just gives you a kick, this is done for you. You will not enjoy this lesson. But how many of you feel that if you want to discover your purpose, if you really want to get inspired, you got to go deep, you got to really calm, you got to really have that peace, you got to really deep dive into something, because motivation ऊपर छल्ला रहेगा वो कहाँ आएगा यार? Purpose के लिए तो you have to go deep, yes or no? Do you think yeah, yes or just type why if you think yes कि यार deep जाना पड़ेगा, and for that motivation काम नहीं करेगा. If you really want to find the purpose, so you'll have to stay with me over here. Otherwise you'll see कि क्या हो रहा है? What is it happening? So be with me over here. Go deep dive only, then you'll be able to get your purpose. Because Bob Proctor says that you cannot decide on your purpose. You can only discover. I repeat, you cannot decide on your purpose. You can only discover. You can only discover your purpose. So this is a journey to discover. You cannot decide, ये मेरा purpose है. Go to discover your purpose. Go to discover your. So that's very. Look at this. When you are inspired, this is a poem. When you are inspired by some great purpose, some extraordinary project, all your thoughts break their bond. Your mind transcends limitations. Your consciousness expands in every direction, and you find yourself in a new, great, and wonderful world. Dormant forces, faculties, and talents become alive, and you discover yourself to be a greater person by far than you ever dreamt yourself to be. This is a poem by Tej Patanjali. Yeah, हमारे इंडिया से ही सब कुछ निकला है यार. मेरा भारत महान. And पूरी वर्ल्ड ने यहाँ से लेके गए और वहाँ से बहुत पैसा कमा लिया. But हमारी इंडिया से सब निकला है. 200 before Christ was born, Sage Patanjali. He's called the Einstein of the age of Buddhas. You know, he's been defined in a variety of ways. So Sage Patanjali get this poem, and it's a lot of meaning behind this. So I'm going to give you an explanation of what this poem can do for you. I'm going to dissect this poem, and then I'm going to connect this poem with your purpose and money in the bank. See, I'm not giving you a sermon. मैं यहाँ पे कोई आपको प्रवचन देने के लिए नहीं बैठा हूँ. मेरा है काम सिर्फ आपके money in the bank में जाना है. So the context of this particular poem is to have more money in the bank. Okay, and I'm going to do a reality check in some time, because you'll see क्या हो रहा है. Poem explain कर रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है, but it's got direct connection with the money in the bank. So be with me over here. Now look at this. When I'm saying this aspect, okay, let me break the first part of this, the first part which I've highlighted over here. When you are inspired by some great purpose, some extraordinary project, all your thoughts break their bonds. So what happens is that when you get inspired by something really great, when you some extraordinary, this is the project which I want to do. Hey, this is the project which I was like to do it. Yeah, this is something which you got inspired by that. Something extraordinary, not ordinary routine things. What happens is something that truly extraordinary things will begin to happen for us. So when you are inspired by some extraordinary thing outside of you, truly extraordinary things will begin to happen for us. So अगर ordinary चीजों के पीछे आप चलते रहे तो ordinary चीजें ही होगी. But when you are inspired by extraordinary things, then extraordinary things are going to happen for us. That's what the first parenthesis of this entire poem is. Limiting beliefs get dissolved. So whatever your feelings and emotions, oh, I cannot do this, oh, this is not possible, मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, all of that slowly gets dissolved. And cut नहीं होती है, dissolve होती है. See, the word is dissolved. It is like dissolved. You just can't see that what is the exact moment when it is getting dissolved, but it's going to get dissolved slowly and steadily. It's going to get dissolved. You're not just going to realize it when exactly it's going to happen, but slowly it's going to get dissolved. So that's what happens when we shift the paradigm. You see, there is not a single moment most of the time that you say, abhi mera paradigm badli ho gaya. No, it's a gradual process. Day after day after day, week after week after week, week after week after week, the paradigm starts to get to shift. And that's where the new things, the limiting belief starts to get dissolved and the new thing starts to appear. So that's the meaning of this particular first para, which is I'm saying over here. Are we clear on this? Up to now clear? Just type yes ke yahan tak clear ho gaya. I'm dissecting the poem. I'm dissecting the complete poem. Clear? Okay, good. Now let's look at the next one. The next point says that your consciousness expands in every direction and you find yourself in a new, great, and wonderful world. Your consciousness expands in every direction and you find yourself in a new, great and wonderful world. Now, what does this particular para mean? Let's look at this way. What it means is that when you are focusing on extraordinary things, your consciousness expands. Now, when I say consciousness expands, what does it mean? Your body and mind are in state of harmony. That means whatever you think, you start to do. There is complete alignment. There is complete integrity. यानी सुबह 5 बजे उठने का प्रॉमिस किया, बॉडी माइंड ने लिखा, वो बॉडी 5 बजे उठती, स्नूज नहीं किया. So your consciousness starts to expand. Whatever you say, whatever you think which you're going to do, you actually do it. So your body and mind are in a state of complete harmony. There is peak experience. Nowadays there is research in Harvard. People say you got to reach that peak experience, or it's called as the flow state. When people say I'm in a flow state, when James Clear says that a Goldilocks rule, that particular thing that it's not too big a goal and too small a goal, but that real balance, that's the flow state. How many of you are aware of this flow state? There's one more program which I've done, the Goldilocks rule on the mastermind. You can check out that on the mastermind. The Goldilocks rule talks about this flow state. So people who are in the academy, you can go on the power of the mastermind and check out the Goldilocks rule when I speak about James Clear's aspect of the flow state. That's what Sage Patanjali, so many thousands of years ago, he was talking of that peak experience. So old wine in new bottle. Now James Clear is talking about the Goldilocks rule. The peak experience is the same thing which what Patanjali spoke about so many thousands of years ago. Okay, so that's the connect. That's the connect behind it. Okay, which is that your consciousness starts to expand. Now, some important pointers in this. I'll take a break over here in dissecting what are the important points over here. Look at this. Observe the timelessness of this advice. James Clear is considered the guru in changing habits right now in the 21st century. Now observe the timelessness of this advice. कितने हजारों साल पहले ये पतंजलि ने हमें advice दी थी. Timeless. This advice is eternal. It is there since ages. It's there since so many thousands of years. You can't even, this is timeless. It's never going to go out of fashion. Significance of being on purpose in life. So when you are on purpose, you are in that flow state. You are just in that trance. The level of inspiration is at a higher level. Your attention is not on what is wrong or what is missing. ये नहीं काम कर रहा है, wave 2 है, pandemic है, vaccination बाकी है, ये ऐसे. Your focus is not on what is wrong or missing, but you're focusing on what is working. You have a balanced feeling of in spirit, not out of spirit, and you're co-creating spirit. Now, one caveat over here. Although the color theme of the slides is orange and yellow, but don't confuse spirit with orange light, orange drink. Hello, are you with me? Although the color scheme of this is orange and yellow, शाम का time है, Friday evening है, it's already 8:30, 8:45. So don't confuse spirit, orange light, orange drink, and don't confuse that. Okay, so be with me over here. This is not that spirit. Otherwise, we'll be out of spirit over here. We will be completely out of spirit over here. Be over here. Be here. Don't spirit, orange light, orange. Especially the people from Gujarat. Okay, so that's where it is. So be with me over here in the right spirit, not in the orange light and orange drink. Okay, good, very nice. Good, very nice. Now look at over here. You have an inspirational moment. You have an inspirational moment. Now observe carefully over what I'm saying. यहाँ तक प्यारा समझ में आ गया? Are we all clear? Are we together on the same spirit? Yes or no? That how it happens. Your consciousness expands. You are in that flow state. That transcendence starts to happen. Okay. Now what happens? Now how do you feel that flow state? Okay. Now this is most important. This is the most important few lines of this poem, and it can change your life if you get this thing. Okay. Now be with me over here. What it says is dormant forces, faculties and talents become alive, and you discover yourself to be a greater person by far than you have ever dreamt yourself to be. यानी when you are in that flow state, जब भी आप वो flow state में होते हो तो क्या होता है? You are there in that flow state, like this new things outside of your power awaken. There is no fatigue. थकान महसूस नहीं होती. इतना घंटा हो गया मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. अरे यार खाना भी नहीं खाया. Nothing at all. भूख भी नहीं लगी. भूखे प्यासे. Nothing at all. There is no jet lag, no sleep. नींद नहीं आती है. You are just in that flow state. Otherwise तो क्या यार आधा घंटा 1 घंटा हो गया यार. I need a break. I need a coffee. I need this. You're just struggling. You're struggling. You're not in the flow state. You're not inspired. How many of you have experienced at least once experience किया ये स्थिति? अरे पता नहीं चला यार कितना टाइम हो गया. अरे यार क्या हो गया? लेकिन काम अच्छा हो गया. What do you mean by dormant forces? Well, dormant forces mean like this. It is a centered state of purpose which activates the forces in the universe. Now understand this. Dormant forces यानी force तो है, potential है, है लेकिन डॉर्मेंट है, सोया हुआ है, उसको जगाना है. So when you are centered with a purpose that this is what I want, when you are centered on a goal, this is what I want to achieve, you are centered your attention, this is what I want, not a drifting mind. What happens is you activate the forces in the universe. You know what, someone will call you, you'll meet someone, maybe you'll get a flash of insight, maybe on the internet, maybe some idea somewhere over here, maybe in the mastermind or maybe in the book reading club. Something will going to happen, because when you are centered on a purpose, really inspired with it, it activates all the forces in the universe, and you get and then you'll say, people say you are lucky. Okay, you are lucky man. Okay? And that's nothing. Lucky is opportunity meeting preparedness. That's what all nightingale define. Luck is opportunity meeting preparedness. You got to prepare first. Be prepared. Focus on your inspirational purpose, and when you are prepared for it, फिर opportunity साथ में आती है, and then you see people are lucky. How many of you just type, if you got this definition of luck, just type O plus P, उसको brain tattoo कर दो. Maybe कोई किटी पार्टी में बैठे हो, maybe club में बैठे हो. You know what is lucky? I'll tell you what is luck. They're going to be impressed. क्या यार, super definition. Luck is equal to opportunity plus preparedness. Yeah, tell me more आपको बोलेगा. Okay, so luck is opportunity plus preparedness. Now look at this. When this happens, there is a paradox. What is the paradox? Observe very carefully what is this paradox. This paradox says that you manage the coincidences of your life. What an amazing statement. You manage the coincidences of your life. यानी आप inspire होते हो एक purpose के पीछे, तो you are managing how coincidences are happening in your life. Isn't it a great paradox to, just think and ponder over this. When you manage the it's a paradox. Paradox यानी ये ऐसी situation ये कैसे हो सकता है? That's the paradox. Okay, and when the student is ready, the teacher appears. जैसे I read the book Think and Grow Rich, and I just read it and I kept it in the library. That's it. I've got it in my library. I did nothing about it until 2016. Something happened in my life and it changed my life. So when you were ready, you got that Facebook ad of Think and Grow Rich Siddharth Shah. And who is this Siddharth Shah? When the student is ready, how many of you can connect with that? अरे ये क्या है? अरे what is this? अरे Facebook? अरे I got that. I want to go over there. So when the student is ready, the teacher appears. Otherwise आप आएंगे, जाएंगे, देखेंगे, बाद में करेंगे, परसों करेंगे. No, but when you are ready, when your time has come, when you are really ready for this, that's where you start to manage the coincidences happening in your life. सबको ऐड नहीं जाती है, आपको ही ऐड गई. There was a reason behind it. There is a reason. We are managing the coincidences over here. There is nothing like a miracle. There is nothing like a miracle over here. Now look at this. Extraordinary का मतलब क्या? You break all your limiting beliefs. You astonish yourself and the world around you. You go to the next level. There is nothing which is going to stop you. So when you are inspired by some great purpose, some extraordinary project, all your thoughts break their bonds, your mind transcends limitations, your consciousness expands in every direction, and you find yourself in a new, great and wonderful world. Dormant forces, faculties and talents become alive, and you discover yourself to be a greater person by far than you ever dreamt yourself. Have you connected the dots? If you have just connected the dots, type CD, connect the dots. If you have connected all the dots, see, I've done it in bits and pieces. मैंने छोटे-छोटे टुकड़े में इसको divide कर दिया so that it becomes easy for you to connect. Have you connected all the dots? Okay, good, very nice, super, wonderful, very nice. Now you might say, but what if I don't know my purpose? मुझे मेरा purpose ही नहीं पता है यार. ये सब अच्छा है जिनको पता है क्या कर रहे हैं, उनको क्या करना है उनको पता है. मुझे क्या करना है वही पता नहीं है. क्या करूं मैं? And there are some people over here. Yeah, there are many people over here. I don't know what is my purpose. I really don't know what. How do I find my purpose? And there are people who are stuck up badly stuck up over here. So valid question at this moment. Poetry to ho gayi. Question to valid hai. Now stay with me over here. What if I don't know my purpose? Well, if you don't know your purpose, how do I go about finding my? How do I go about finding? Well, the answer is very simple. Your job is not to ask how. As simple as that. Your job is not to ask how. So क्या करना? What we do? क्या करना? Look at this. Ask yourself. And these questions are $1 million questions. When do I feel the most filled? When do I feel that aura? That okay, fine, I feel accomplished. Sense of joy, that mind, the accomplishment. When do I feel that most filled? And when do I feel extraordinary and like a great person? Recollect करिए आपके past में, past experiences में, कहाँ पे you really felt like I feel fulfilled, man. I had a peace of mind. I felt really nicely, cool, calm, composed. Felt extraordinary, like a great person. when do you feel the most filled? Now, you might ask this yourself to this question to you, and I want you to think about it, okay? And maybe some of you can type it. Some of you can type. Some of you can type. Some of you can type over here. Some of you can type. Some of you can type over. When do you feel the most? Yeah. Now the answer is not relevant. Now listen up carefully. This is the turning point, okay? And if you miss out, you'll miss out this important thing. If you miss out, you'll miss out. So you got to be really over here. See, the answer is whatever be your answer. Then when do I feel most fulfilled? जो भी आपका answer रहेगा, your answer is not relevant. But what is relevant is whatever be your answer. I mean, there are more than 100 people, 200 people in the program. Whatever be the answer, the specific answer does not matter. What matters is the answer. The answer, whatever be your answer, not individually, whatever be your answer, will always involve any of the following. Does it have something to serve your fellow men? Does it have something serving your planet? Does it have something to do with serving the universe? Does it have something to do with serving someone? Check it out. Check your answer. Check करना कि कहाँ ना कहाँ कोई भी आपका आंसर देगा, but somewhere some connection will be there. Now you might say, serve. What do you mean by serve? मुझे तो I want the food on the table. I don't want to do charity. मुझे सर्विस नहीं करनी भाई. मुझे तो पैसा चाहिए मेरे अकाउंट में. मुझे तो यार स्कूल की फीस भरनी है. मुझे नया मोबाइल लेना है, नई गाड़ी लेनी है. I don't believe this serve charity. I don't believe in all that stuff. Hello, I am not a prophet over here. I am not giving any sermon over here. How many of you want money in the bank? Hello, just type MIB in the comment box, please. How many of you want more money in the bank? Because this is not about anything about charity. No. This is about you having money in the bank. Remember, I asked you when I began the program, your definition of money. Do you remember that? Do you remember when I asked you what is money for you? What is money according to you? Now connect the dots together, okay? You got to really be present over here. See, connect the dots over here. When I'm saying that this feeling will be there when you serve the fellow man, serving your planet, serving the universe, or serving someone, what is money according to you? Now, this is a killer. Okay, you got to be over here. आप रोज सुनते हो इसको, लेकिन अभी इसको connect the dots करो. What is money according to you? Money is the reward for services rendered. Money is the reward for services rendered. Simple as that. Think about it. Bulb-on. Should be a bulb-on moment. My passion, my goal, my service, my money in the bank. Is it a bulb-on moment for you? दिमाग की बत्ती जल रही है? Hello, just type BO. All about you having money in the bank. Money is the reward service rendered. Money is reward service rendered. And it's connected to your passion, your inspiration. When you are inspired from within, when you get this thing that this is what it is all about. I want the food on the table. I want my school fees to be paid. I want my children to go abroad. I want this new car. I want this new t-shirt. Money is the reward for services rendered. ये रोज सुनते हैं ना all night. Every day we listen to this. Yes, we listen to this every day. But connect the dots together. Don't have compartmentalized knowledge. Connect the dots together, and that is my job over here. मेरा यही काम है कि आपके every Friday को मैं अलग एंगल से आपको पकड़ूंगा ताकि you go to the next level. Now, did I keep the challenge? Yes or no? मैंने challenge दी थी. That is about you having money in the bank directly. I gave you a challenge, and an open challenge I give it to all of you. Now you'll say, okay, fine. कैसे करना है? Okay, I'll give you simple assignment. See, without assignment, action points is not going to happen. You got to work on this. So simple action points. Action points are like this over here. Because my programs are action points. It's not like, okay, feel good factor. अच्छा लगा यार, Friday evening अच्छा नींद आएगा. ना ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Hello. This is about you getting your work done and money in the bank. So assignments, 4-step assignments over here. Ready for this? Hello. Are you with me? Yes or no? Yes, inspired, to get the money in the bank, to discover your passion, to get that inspiration, to do the thing which you're born to do. Yes, कैसे करना है? Look at this, 4 simple assignments. Look at this. The first step is like this. Record the activities in which you feel most in spirit. So, जैसे in spirit का मतलब when you're inspired, when you feel really fulfilled, record all those activities. Maybe whatever it is, जो भी आपके पास से आप experience देखिए कि कहाँ पे I was really feeling inspired. So I was very slow in connecting. I was very good in education in the school. I was very good in Hindi education, in English education. I used to be the ranker in that. So I never realized this is my forte and I really like to do it. But बाद में, when the student is ready, the teacher appeared, तो तभी ऐसी बात हो गई. So record the activities in which you feel most inspired. The second one is use this inventory to see who out there in the world is actually making a living doing these things every day. So the second step is कि जो भी आप activity जो लग रही है कि यार yeah they really feel good about it, think about it. Doesn't matter what you're doing right now. Doesn't matter what you're doing right now. But think about someone who is making a living. पैसा पूरी जिंदगी पैसा कमा रहा है. The top notch people, maybe chefs, maybe choreographers, dancers, maybe gardeners, maybe pet trainers, maybe weavers. You think about anything which you're good at it and compare who is making millions in the world doing the same thing. Hello, मिल जाएगा Google, अपने पास Google है, Google बाबा, easily मिल जाएगा. Go on social media, go, you'll find out the top 3 people in this particular category. You can get this information. Understand this. First step, see where you're good at it and find out who is making a living out of that. Hello, are we together on these 2 steps? सब तक clear है? Yes or no? Clear? 2 steps, just like 2. ये 2 steps clear हो गए, so I go to the next 2. Good, very nice. Now the third step is like this. The third step is like this. Listen only to the voice within you that beckons you to that extraordinary activity. Most important. Listen only to the voice within you कि जो आपके दिल में जो आवाज बोल रही है कि यार मुझे ये करना है, तो उसमें क्या है कि आपको एक फिल्टर लगाना पड़ेगा. You got to have a filter. Now that filter का मतलब मैंने ये lid नहीं बोला. Hello, I kept a filter. Lid is you are completely close-minded. I'm not saying put a lid. No, I'm saying put a filter. Filter means you can take all the information, all the facts, filter them, and then select only those which are relevant for you. See, people will have opinions. अरे कुछ नहीं होगा ऐसे यार. अरे खाना बना के कोई कैसा कोई बन सकता है ऐसे कुछ यार. कोई हॉबी से कोई ऐसा कोई पैसा मिले नहीं बन सकता. So you'll have lots and lots of opinions will come in. Don't worry about that. Let them come and don't even just thank them. Just thank them. Just thank them. Okay, just let them come and go. Don't even try to resist it. No, let you just keep on doing your own work. But filter रखो, ले लो information and just take in whatever is important for you. Don't let the outer opinions take your inner voice. This is very important. Most of the people are not able to live their purpose because it gets killed by their outside opinion. How many of you have seen people like this that यार बोला था ये लाइन में मत जा, he is good at that, but नहीं family वाला की बात मानी और ऐसा कर दिया, ये दोस्तों की बात मानी. Have you seen any kind of people like this? Just type 3, ये third point clear हो गया. बहुत लोग मिलेंगे आपको यार 50, 55, 60 साल की उम्र में यार क्यों कर रहे हो यार? You are not good, you are not fit for that. You are a square peg in a round hole. Well, so third point, filter, and you can start from any time. Today you can start. Okay, you can start from any time. You forget about the past. Everybody's got a past. So that's the third point. And the final point is you got to have, what's the fourth point? The fourth point is, yeah, there was one thing which I want to share over here. When you are taking opinions from outside, you are outspired. The word is inspired. It's not outspired. Okay, so it should not be outspired. It should be inspired. It is inspiration. It's not outspiration. Okay, so outspiration is that spirit outside of you, but this is inspiration. So that's where it is. And the fourth one is the measure of mental health is the disposition to find good everywhere. I quote from the immortal Emerson, who says that the measure of mental health is the disposition to find good everywhere. What it means? See the good in everywhere. See the good in everywhere. There's a law of relativity. जो भी हो रहा है उसमें जो अच्छा ही वो देखो. That's what the Emerson gave us his advice, that the measure of mental health is the disposition to find the good everywhere. See the good and harvest the good, and then see how you start to progress further. Whatever your job is, whatever current profession which you're doing across, you can get finished and you can find your purpose and you can become a millionaire or a billionaire. I'm doing it and I discovered it. Although late, but better late than never. Better late than never.